Hello and welcome to this new video on how to get Google Maps offline. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Google Maps. It is available on Play Store. And when you are inside the Google Maps, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be your profile. So you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear right in front of the screen. And if you see on the list of things, then you'll be able to find offline maps. So you just have to click on the offline maps. And when you're inside the offline maps, there are two different sections. First is you can just go and download the local map, or second is to select your own map. If you want to download the local maps, you can just click on the local and you will be able to download that local map and use it offline. Otherwise, you can just click on or select your own map, and you just have to select your own map and click on the download button, and that map will be downloaded and you will be able to use Google Maps offline. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.